In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Asana projects to Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your project data into a spreadsheet so you can analyze it, share it with your team, or keep a clean backup. First, start by opening the project you want to export. In Asana, look to the left sidebar and click on Projects. This shows your list of available projects. Go ahead and select the specific project you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team if you don't see it right away. With your project open, head to the top of the screen where you'll see the project name. Right next to it, there's a small down arrow. Click that to open the project menu. This menu controls a lot of project-level actions, so it's the hub for exporting, printing, and other options. From this drop-down, choose Export Print. This is where Asana gives you a few different ways to get your data out of the platform. It's a quick way to move information into tools like Excel without manually copying anything. Now, you'll pick your preferred format. Under Export, select Project Tasks, CSV, or Project Tasks XLSX. If you're not sure which to use, here's a simple rule of thumb. CSV works with virtually any spreadsheet program, including Excel and Google Sheets, and it's great for universal compatibility. XLSX, on the other hand, opens directly in Excel and preserves formatting more cleanly in many cases. If you plan to work primarily in Excel and want fewer import steps, go with XLSX. If you need broader compatibility or plan to move the file between different tools, CSV is a safe choice. As an optional note, Asana may also offer time entries CSV or JSON exports. Those are useful for specialized reporting or development needs, but for most Excel workflows, stick with CSV or XLSX. Once you select your format, your browser will start downloading the file automatically. When it's finished, open it in Excel. You'll see your project's tasks, assignees, due dates, sections, and any custom fields you've set up, all arranged in columns. If you chose CSV, Excel may prompt you to confirm delimiters or date formats. Just review the preview and proceed. From here, you can sort, filter, create pivot tables, and build charts to get insights fast. It's also a good moment to save the file with a clear name and date, so your backups stay organized. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.